Masvingo by-election heats up as posters are vandalized. The 21st of August 2025, tensions are rising ahead of the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, after independent candidate Prosper Taruvinga Tiringindi accused ZANU-PF rival Simbarash Shanhiwa of tearing down and defacing his campaign posters. Tiringindi told the Mirror that at least 15 of his posters, which he had mounted on August 18th on poles, trees, and concrete slabs across the ward, were vandalized by the following day. He alleged that Shanhiwa was also plastering his own posters on top of his campaign material. This is barbaric. It reflects the level of someone's intellect. But I am convinced that victory is certain. I urge residents to come in numbers and vote for change. Let us campaign freely without others vandalizing posters, Tiringindi said. Shanhiwa, however, dismissed the accusations. Contacted for comment, he denied involvement and countered that some of his own posters had also gone missing. There is no evidence to prove that I vandalized his posters. In fact, I also discovered that some of mine were removed, he said. Efforts to obtain a comment from Masvingo police spokesperson Inspector KUTYA were unsuccessful at the time of publishing. The by-election has drawn significant attention as candidates battle to secure voter confidence in a constituency long dominated by ZANU-PF.